How to sync iPhone photos to Google Drive. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos application on your device and further tap on the select option on the top right of your screen and then go ahead and select all the images on your iPhone in order to upload it to your drive. Once you have selected all your image, go ahead and tap on the share icon on the bottom left of your screen and you will see the option for Drive. Tap on that and now go ahead and choose the folder that you want to upload the images in. You can also tap on the folder tab and then go ahead and create a new folder by tapping on the create new folder icon on top right and then renaming your new folder. Once done, tap on the create option and then tap on the save here option and finally tap on the upload option, and with this the photos will start to upload. So wait for the photos to upload. The time may vary depending on the images and videos that you have on your iPhone. So simply wait for the photos and videos to complete, and once completed the photos will be synced to your Google Drive. So this is how you can sync iPhone photos to Google Drive. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.